Updating your business information on Gusto is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring smooth payroll processing. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates quickly. Step 1. Log into your Gusto account. Visit the Gusto website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Company Settings. Once logged in, locate the Company tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on it to access your company settings. Step 3. Select Business Information. In the Company Settings menu, find and click on Business Information. This section contains all the details related to your business. Step 4. Update your information. Review the current information displayed and make any necessary changes. This may include your business name, address, phone number, or tax information. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, ensure you click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can ensure your business information on Gusto is current and accurate. Regular updates help maintain compliance and improve communication with employees and clients.